Hi there. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're looking at the top 5 best wet-dry vacuums you can buy. These machines clean up both wet and dry messes with ease. They work great in homes, garages, and even job sites. We picked these vacuums based on power, features, and real user reviews. Each one offers something a little different. So there's a perfect match for every need and budget. Want more details? All product links are in the description box below. Check them out after the video for prices and full specs. Now, let's dive in and see which wet-dry vac is right for you. Number 5. VacMaster Vacuum. The VacMaster VOM 205P1101 is a small, strong vacuum made for both wet and dry messes. It holds up to 2.5 gallons and is great for use in homes, cars, or small shops. At only 6 pounds, it's light and easy to carry. This vacuum has a powerful 2-peak HP motor that gives strong suction. It works well on dirt, dust, and even water. You can also turn it into a blower by switching a few parts, perfect for leaves or debris. The wall-mountable design saves space. You can hang it on the wall when not in use, keeping your floor clean. Its onboard storage holds the hose, cord, and tools neatly in place. The vacuum includes 6 accessories, like a crevice tool for tight spots. It also comes with a cartridge filter, which helps trap dust and fine dirt. The hose and cord together give you a 14-foot cleaning reach, so you can clean more without moving it around. Made for both home and garage use, this vacuum is built to last. It features a dust-sealed power switch that keeps out dirt and moisture. Whether you're cleaning a spill or blowing leaves, the VacMaster VOM 205P is a handy tool to have. Number 4. DeWalt 20V Max Cordless Vacuum. The DeWalt DCV580H is a strong, cordless wet-dry vacuum. It runs on a 20V Max battery, sold separately, so you can use it anywhere, no cord needed. This makes it great for cleaning cars, work sites, or homes. It has a 2-gallon tank, which holds enough to empty a clogged pipe or small spill. The vacuum has a HEPA-rated filter that traps dust as small as 0.3 microns. The filter is washable and reusable, so you can rinse it with water and use it again. The unit comes with a 5-foot heavy-duty hose that is crush-resistant and flexible. This hose, along with the wide nozzle and crevice tools, helps you clean tight spots and large areas. All tools and the hose store neatly on the vacuum, making it easy to carry. The onboard storage keeps everything in place during transport. The vacuum is light, portable, and simple to use. It offers 31 CFM of suction power, making it strong enough for most cleanup tasks. Whether you're picking up dry dirt or wet spills, this vacuum is a solid choice. It's durable, easy to clean, and built for tough jobs. Just add a battery, and it's ready to work. Number 3. Craftsman Vacuum. The Craftsman CMZB 17250 is a small but powerful wet/dry vacuum. It has a 2.5-gallon tank and a 2.5-peak HP motor, making it perfect for quick cleanups. Use it in your home, garage, or car for both dry dust and wet spills. This vacuum is lightweight and easy to carry. It includes a strong 5-foot hose, a crevice tool for tight spaces, and a utility nozzle for larger areas. All tools fit well with the vacuum's compact design, making storage simple. One great feature is its 2-in-1 function. You can switch it from vacuum to blower mode with ease. This adds extra use for clearing leaves or debris from your workspace. The filter bag traps dust and dirt, keeping your air clean. It uses a cloth-type filter and works with Craftsman's CMX-CVB 38737 filter bags. Note, it does not work with the Craftsman car cleaning kit. If you need a small, reliable vacuum for light jobs, this model is a great choice. It's portable, easy to use, and comes with a 3-year limited warranty for peace of mind. Number 2. Stanley Vacuum. The Stanley SL18116P is a strong and flexible wet/dry vacuum with a large 6-gallon tank. It has a 4-peak HP motor that gives powerful suction for big jobs. You can use it at home, in the garage, workshop, or even on job sites. This vacuum works for wet spills and dry messes. It also has a blower port to move leaves or dust. With its 3-in-1 function, you can vacuum, clean, or blow with just one tool. The vacuum has a long reach, a 6-foot hose, 10-foot power cord, and 3 extension wands. That gives you over 16 feet of cleaning range without needing to unplug. 4 swivel wheels make it easy to move around. It includes many tools, a floor nozzle, gulper nozzle, crevice tool, foam filter, dust bag, and a reusable filter. All parts fit neatly on the vacuum for easy storage. The waterproof power switch and strong handle make it safe and easy to use. If you want a tough, large-capacity vacuum for big cleanups, the Stanley SL18116P is a great choice. It's made to last and comes with a 12-month warranty for peace of mind. Number 1. EGO Power Plus Vacuum. The EGO Power Plus WDV0900 is a powerful cordless wet/dry vacuum made for big cleanups. It has a large 9-gallon tank and runs on EGO 56V ARC lithium batteries, sold separately. This vacuum is great for homes, shops, garages, or cars. Its brushless motor gives strong suction at 110 CFM with a 100-inch lift. It has 3 power levels: low, high, and turbo. You can control the settings using the vacuum itself or the included wireless remote. On a full charge, it runs up to 60 minutes on ECO, 30 minutes on high, and 20 minutes on turbo with 2 6.0Ah batteries. The filter cleaning function helps keep suction strong by clearing dust from the filter. This vacuum comes with many tools: 2 extension tubes, a crevice tool, round brush, floor nozzles, rubber bar, and a 1/7/8-inch hose. All tools store neatly on the vacuum for easy access. The drain plug makes emptying water quick and simple. Built for power and ease of use, the EGO WDV0900 is a great choice for both wet and dry messes. It also comes with a 5-year tool warranty, giving you long-term peace of mind.